In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make $700 in the next 24 hours with CPA affiliate marketing. Now, CPA marketing is a type of affiliate marketing, but instead of getting paid when someone buys a product through your affiliate link, you get paid when someone completes an action. That action could be filling out a form, entering their email address, providing their phone number, or other simple tasks. And once someone completes that action through your affiliate link, you earn commissions ranging from 80 cents to $5 or even $6 in some cases. The first step to making $700 in 24 hours with CPA marketing is signing up for a CPA affiliate network. There are many CPA networks like AdWork Media, CPA Grip, and CPA Build, but my favorite is CPA Grip. Why? Because it's super easy to get started and they accept affiliates from all around the world. Plus, they have a ton of offers to choose from, which I'll show you later in this video. You can also withdraw your earnings through PayPal, Payoneer, and other payout options. To sign up for CPA Grip, head over to their website and click on Sign Up Now. Fill out the required fields, especially those marked with an asterisk. Another great thing about CPA Grip is that you don't need a website or a YouTube channel to get accepted, so no excuses. Go to cpa-grip.com, sign up, and follow along with what I'm showing you in this video. After filling out the form, click Register Now. Approval typically takes 24 to 48 hours, and 90% of the time, you'll get accepted. So, most viewers watching this video will likely get approved. Now, let's move on to step 2, where I'll show you how to make up to $700 every single day with CPA Grip and CPA affiliate marketing. The next step is to pick an offer to promote. CPA Grip has many different offers, and most are country-specific. This means you need someone from the specified country to complete the offer for you to get paid. For example, if you want to promote an offer in the US, go to the My Offers section under Offer Tools and select United States. This will show you all the available US offers. You need someone in the US to complete these offers for you to earn commissions. For this video, I'm promoting offers in Nigeria. So, I'll select Nigeria from the country list. Here, you can see all the Nigerian offers. Pay attention to the payout options. For example, the Access the Latest Games offer pays 23 cents for a PIN submit, meaning someone has to enter their phone number. You can sort offers by payout to find the highest paying ones. It's also crucial to check the device compatibility under Type. Some offers are available on desktop, iOS, and Android. Promoting offers that work on multiple devices can increase your chances of earning more money. Alright, I'm going to find an offer to promote and I'll be right back. Okay, I found an offer to promote, a sweepstakes offer for a chance to win a brand new Samsung Galaxy A53 smartphone. It's available in Nigeria and requires an email or zip submit, meaning someone needs to enter their email address or zip code. This offer is available on desktop, iOS, and Android. So no matter what device someone uses, as long as they complete the offer, I'll get paid 10 cents. Yep, you heard me right. Here is my CPA affiliate link, the golden ticket I'll be promoting on social media or anywhere else I fancy. If I can get folks to enter their email or zip code right here, I'll be cashing in a cool 10 cents. So, what's the plan? I'll just copy that link, paste it into my Word document labeled CPA link, and boom, we're halfway there. Now, this is a sweepstakes offer for a Samsung Galaxy A53. Exciting, right? Next, I'm going to whip up a simple ad to showcase this offer. This will make promoting it a breeze because I'll have a ready-to-go advertisement that'll entice people to fill out the form. Typically, I go for video ads and hire someone on Fiverr to create them because they convert better. But for this video, I'm showing you how to make a simple image ad, like this one that screams, "Win a free Samsung Galaxy A53." These ads still work, though not as well as videos. If you're just starting out, creating a basic ad on Canva is the way to go. Especially if you're pinching pennies. Creating the ad was straightforward. I googled the Samsung A53, downloaded an image, and threw it into Canva with a catchy text. Now the ad is ready to roll, and I can plaster it all over social media with my CPA link. Anyone interested can click, fill out the offer, and voila, I earned 10 cents. So far, so good. We have our CPA link, picked an offer, created an ad, and everything's looking peachy. But where do we find people to fill out this CPA offer and start making those sweet affiliate marketing commissions? Promoting CPA links can be tricky since many social media platforms frown upon them, considering them spam. Post your CPA link on Facebook, and your account might get the boot, especially if it's new. The same goes for Instagram, Pinterest, and even Quora. But don't fret. I found a platform where you can promote your CPA links without getting banned on WhatsApp. Yes, you heard right. I've been partnering with WhatsApp TVs, accounts with a large contact list that post ads, memes, funny videos, and more. These WhatsApp TVs have up to 50,000 contacts, and a promo from them can bring in a ton of clicks and completions. I found a website listing WhatsApp TVs, and I'll drop the link in the description below. You can contact these WhatsApp TVs, negotiate a deal, and have them post your ad and CPA link. They charge anywhere from $10 to $70 per post, which is pretty affordable. Once you find a WhatsApp TV that agrees to promote your offer, just send them your ad and link with a caption like, "Win a free Samsung A53. People love free stuff, so they'll click and fill out the offer. And you'll start earning. Now, there's a smarter, more long-term strategy one used to promote CPA links through YouTube. I create content around the offers, funnel viewers into my email list, and promote CPA links via email. It takes time, about 3 to 6 months of content creation to build an audience, but it pays off. So, my friends, that's how you can rake in $700 a day with CPA marketing. The beauty of CPA marketing is that people don't even need to buy anything, they just need to fill out a form, and you get paid. If you've been struggling with regular affiliate marketing, CPA marketing might just be your ticket. Don't forget to check the link in the description below for my free CPA marketing guide, showing you how to make your first $10,000. And if you want more CPA and affiliate marketing tips, click the next video on your screen.